Hi everyone, welcome to our DIY Christmas gift idea giveaway hop. With the Christmas season nearing, let's get festive with DIY gift ideas which you can make at home. I will be featuring how to make dish towels using reusable mesh stencils and ink. And one lucky winner will receive my creations. Each participant in this hop will specify their giveaway is for US or international. My giveaway is for US only. To enter, please leave me a comment by November 28th and remember to see the description box for the next person participating in this hop. I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Liz. And here I am showing you the mesh stencils that I'm using. They are from a maker studio, and I will put the link down below so that you can go and check out all the different stencils that we have. And I'm also going to be using the ink from a maker studio, and we do have many colors to choose from. I'm using the green, the red, and the black ink today. And I'm using these tea towels, and I am going to apply the tea towel to my Cricut mat because my Cricut mat is sticky and it holds my tea towel down so that when I pull up the mesh stencil, I'm not pulling up the tea towel also. So here I'm just centering my Santa Claus image. And I'm making sure that it's completely down, no air bubbles. And I will be using the red ink. And I'm applying it to my squeegee. And I'm just making sure that I'm getting it all inside my mesh design. Trying not to get off of my stencil. So I'm just carefully applying it, making sure I got all my areas, and then right here I'm actually putting the excess back into the tube, and then I'm flipping the stencil over so that I can put the Merry Christmas on there. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, but I'm going to be using the black ink here. And I like to put my ink onto my mesh, onto my squeegee, because that way I feel like I'm not wasting it by putting it on like a paper plate or something. And there you go. And there's my image. And you can do any design you'd like on these tea towels. And it's such a fun project. So you can give them to your coworkers, or your child's teacher, or even neighbor gifts. You get a lot of use out of the stencils, and the ink seems to last a long time too, because you're really not using that much ink. So I just wiped off the excess ink that came off from the tea towel. And here I'm putting my second tea towel down. And so one lucky winner will receive these tea towels that I'm making. So you just have to make sure you leave a comment down below before the 28th of November. So here I'm going to show you, I'm going to be using 3 colors on one image. So I'm using the black on my letters. And then I will be using green for the leaves and red for the berries. So I'm also going to be showing you how to take care of the, how to clean the mesh stencils in a little bit after I finish this. But basically, you're just going to wash your stencils, and I usually run them under my the sink, and just use a like a sea sponge to make sure that I'm taking all the ink off the mesh. And here you can see that I'm using a smaller squeegee, and I like to cut them up different dimensions so I can get into the little crevices. And here again, I'm going to be cleaning off my mat with a wipey. So they're very easy to take care of. Here's mesh stencils, and I'm just doing it in a little basin so I can show you how to do it. But usually I just do it in the sink. And then you want to put it on a towel, and I just wipe it off, making sure all the ink is off the mesh. And you want to dry them with the sticky side up. And here I'm just sort of squeegeeing all the excess water off of it. And I just let them dry. And then once they're dry, I put them on the carrier sheet, and they're ready to get used again. So here are my towels, my tea towels, my finished tea towels. So again, make sure that you comment below, and I will pick a winner. So make sure you go to the next hop or the next YouTube channel. Thanks again.